Now we want to explain the relations in sketch environment. First, click on this point to display shortcuts. OK. First is edit point, click and run it. In specify point you can change the point type, close it and again click. Next is move object that explained before, you can change its mode to copy. Move and drag the axis in coordinate system. OK. Next is hide, and delete, and fixed. Now click on line and see the shortcuts. First is edit curve, click and run it, drag the arrow to change its length. And drag the point to change start point position. OK, good. Next is change to reference, click and do it. And back again with click again. Next is hide, edit display and delete. Again click. Next is horizontal, click and do it to see the line in horizontal situation. Back again, click and next is vertical, OK, do it and finish, and back again. OK, next is constant angle, and constant length. But first click and drag the start point of line. As you see the line length is changeable. Now click and select constant length, and again drag the start point of line. As you see the line length is fixed and not changed. OK, very good. Again click and run the constant angle, and again drag the start point of line and see their changes. OK. Next is fixed, and fully fixed. And horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, that explained before. OK, it's very good. Now click on arc line and its shortcuts appeared, all of shortcuts is repetitious. But only radius dimension, and diameter dimension is added new. OK, good. Test it on circle, click and see the relations in shortcut, all of shortcuts is repetitious. OK, click on spline and see the shortcuts. Non-uniform scale and uniform scale, and fully fixed. OK, it's very good. OK, Geometrical Constraints. Click on this arrow behind the More icon. And tick the geometrical constraint, and its icon is appeared here. Click and run the command. In Geometric Constraint dialog box you can select your objects. Object to constraint, and object to constraint to. Start this command with this 2 points. In constraint select horizontal alignment. And select 2 points, you can see the point's position. Undo and back again, run the command and this time select vertical alignment. And do it, OK, very good, you can see the points in new positions. Undo and back again, run the command and make the coincident constraint for this 2 points. OK, do it and finish, it's very good. Again run the command. First choose the coincident constraint and select point and line, now you can see the changes, OK, very good. Undo and back, run the command again and this time select point on curve coincident type. Select point and line and do it, now see the changes, OK, very good. Now drag and move the line and see relations between the point and line. Okay, that's very good. Now select midpoint constraint and again, select point and line, see the position of point. Needs to make coincident constraint yet, make it between the point and line. Okay, now a relations completed, it's very good. Okay, run the command again and select horizontal constraint. Now select this line and see the changes, undo and back. Select vertical constraint, and again select this line, OK, see the line in new position. Undo and back, click and run the command again, select parallel constraint. Then select this two lines, and see the new position of lines, OK. Very good. Again run the command and this time test the perpendicular constraint. Select two lines, and see the new position of them, OK. It's very good. Undo and back again, run the command and select equal length constraint. Select two lines, and see the changes. OK. That's very good. Undo, move and change the position of one line. Click and run the command again, and select collinear constraint. Now select two lines, you can see the new position of lines. OK, very good. OK, run the command and select point on curve constraint. Now select point and arc, see the new position of point. OK, that's very good. Undo, and run the command again, select tangent constraint. Now select the line, and select arc, see the new position of line and arc. Undo and back, run the command again and select tangent constraint. Select this two arcs, and see the result. OK, it's very good. Run the command again and select equal radius constraint. Then select this two circles, OK, now see the new result. OK, very good. Undo and back again, now run the command, select tangent constraint. Now select this two circles, OK, see the new position of circles. Undo, and back the command again, now click and run the command. Select concentric constraint, and elect this two circles. Now see the new position of circles.